So I was driving down the road today.
Okay, well, I'll take this. It's not the greatest, this evil Skype call video footage. But you know, it's fitting for the video. Originally, I think I recorded this in either August, maybe September, but I'm pretty sure it's mid to late August. And you know, the whole video's kind of hazy, kind of vinaigrette-y. It had like some water in the lens from a video I filmed the day before. But I catch hella fish, so here you go.
So I'm driving and I see Old Covered Bridge Road. And I think this spot might be okay. Looks pretty good. I got my waders, which I just haven't utilized. And I'm gonna take a micro rod and I'm gonna see if we can catch any little fish. We're moving on down.
And then like really, really fast.
Go on. That is a bass. Well, I caught a fish. One little micro largemouth. Probably the smallest one I've seen in a while, but it's better than nothing. Ooh, just missed that one too. There he is. Whoa! Fish number 2. A little yellow river perch. He'd open his mouth. There he is. That's cool. Love to see them. I'm gonna take a picture of this guy for a thumbnail. Let's get him back in the water. Gotta get a few more of those ones. I like the look of this up here. Nice aerated water. That one. Whoa, okay. It's a pretty good fish. Nice fall fish. They are beautiful looking, huh? Really cool looking fish. Alright, well, get him back. There he is. Whoa! Pumpkin seed. Oh, he got it bad. Oh, there he goes. That's the second biggest fish all day. There we go. I think now. Whoa, that's a huge sunfish, I think. Yeah. Whoa, 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 buddy. Hey, yeah, look at him. That is a beast. He's huge. He started pulling out drag. There is another one. That's a better fish though. What is it? It's a bass, I think? That's a bass. Whoa, big largemouth. Well, not big, but for the creek, it's not bad. I'm sending it back out to the other side of that rock. That's where they seem to like it. There he is. Oh, I missed him. It's okay, I can miss one or two. Oh. We keep walking down. They seem to be avoiding this little stretch now after I caught that one. Unless I see one right there, actually. Right now. Oh, snag.
That's it. Got those fish. Gotta record an outro. I had to do it now.